Erobile ngoba ngenyor ingarura ekenyor sininje swam. Erobile ngoba ngenyor ingarura ekenyor sininje swam. Usingoliele laile rebiegi barsai. Usingoliele laninye sisiegi enkai. Edangi shurerashe todua esojirangailer. Erobile ngoba ngenyor ingatura ekenyor sininje swam. Erobile ngoba ngenyor ingatura ekenyor sininje swam. Just like any other African culture, song for the Maasai was always more than a carnival. My name is Teto Oletutuma, and I invite you in an attempt to demonstrate how the culture has been able to be resilient and to withstand cultural erosion and maintain its heritage to date. Using a vision with this acoustic guitar, I will show you 3 principles that the Maasais have been able to stand upon for the social fabric maintenance for the community. The first one is Emayan, simply blessing. Warsai enjo lwega ina meloga murwa ekaragi ngwaye enkai ena omoni neni ngamu mere na idima tiatua ye ena ashiya buguro lora nyiro subari kuna nigendasira ye enashe dolino no umogulele nduru mogi kulore ngolong na ijetna tonka iginu no ger parena Maasai rasi shoreginye dagolo njiu nyeni bol ngonyelo bogi oyeu negidoliye joyog muruna osim linaweragiyo iyeleyo ho oraleyo oyeleyo oya 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 baba le shumara de elona nolodu imbunga ginda kologi dorigo yogi aramana yava tengi bare mbiani dengoro jogi seriani osudwe wangana dede iyeleyo ho oraleyo oyeleyo oya iyeleyo ho oraleyo oyeleyo oya iyeleyo ho oraleyo oyeleyo oya Parsai enjo lwega ina meloga murwa ekaragi ngwaye enkai ena omoni neni ngamu mere na idima tiatua ye ena ashiya buguro lora nyiro subari kuna nigendasira ye enashe linono kumogli dumogi kulode ngolong na ijena tonka iginono gerbare nare masaida sijuregiye ndagolo injiu nyeni bolingo nyelelo bogi oye nigidoliye joyo muruna osim linagoiragiyo. Sending peace and love. Remember, you can subscribe to the channel Teto Ole Tutuma. You can like or share, make a comment here or there about Maasai culture. We also teach at Olaimeri Media. We teach spoken Maasai language as well as the cultural aspects of Maasai culture. So the second pillar that the Maasai really were able to rely on as a society to have been strong through the last few centuries is Ilomon. And I would interest you by this interesting word from my community by asking you a question. Because what if I told you we call guests Ilomon, right? And you would ask me something else. Or I wanted to tell you how generous we could be, as the same means news. So the Maasai were very, very, very generous people. Indeed, as times continue to change, we are adapting to contemporary society, and maybe I may not have full confidence in saying we are a generous society. I suppose us getting to be a generous society again is the whole intention for our existence. So I present Ilomon again. Newborn could be considered a guest. Oh, yeah, yo. Oya ye woya tena balimbe kasin bogin melimuno ema balake ninye nangule ne bangada nkoshoge ena bugirigiri mbodo iborimberia meralo lialo dale no yorgiso lenjashur dado jengo ndolo shono dado la yolor marwa kangai arara me oshimi ni oyo oya ala gaile dinle jage tonge de uminyo oyo oya iye kanyor denigi benigi renjilalo endigiti yano tolak Tenil ningida tonge jege maranene nengedola iningo iye gita armusani lawama kangai narara me oshimi ni oyo oya ala kaile dile jage tonge de uminyo oyo oya namona jogie mugia singila yesiangau bejemi sim jogi gela rado neno na joyo taso ruboro rabe julo re yinul walan musan o beje dembu yo ngaro shi yegenya o to nyaro line lengu gogi anyolo betla ligire jangarna sairodi ni yogi yogogi yogor giboni menyando mono kon ngaro pusha ne yabe yo grege la go la ga budi yo ga manye so la na de Lagos and so the good news is while the times change we need to continue sticking and staying to who we were, and one of the last of these pillars is Eramarade. Eramarade to me means basically two things: taking care of children, their welfare, their needs, their services, etc., etc., including dressing and food and shelter and school and health and play and all manner of blessedness or blessings that are intentional for them, including intellectual development and spiritual guidance. And for the Maasai to be able to do this, he needed the second aspect of his being, which is cattle or ngishu. And in this case, it is all this manner of animals, including sheep and goats and donkeys, yes, and camels for those who have. And now we need to come to a realization that we need a resource, something of substance and importance, that we need to start assigning this proverbial reverence or adornment to one and cherish. So you use cattle by taking care of them, and you multiply your flocks. You use that to take care of your people. And in this, it's an invitation to one of our latest new songs called Legacy Ngole, simply to mean another song. Singolyo ngejugele olo kanye woji kuna dule naibungita agita liga singolyo ngejugele liga singolyo ngejugele liga singolyo ngejugele. Boyo kenare na iya dengani kenare ni I urengai kenare si ne mi boldege kenare ni nyorne chibai kenare ne mi basye gidima liga singolyo ngejugele liga singolyo ngejugele liga singolyo ngejugele. Deni yeu yendira dene boyo kenare na ayate mangigi kenare sini yaror gilia dene manani ge rasar gili bede munai para ranta madus kulo singolyo di norge demlai liga singolyo ngejugele liga singolyo ngejugele liga singolyo ngejugele marara marus denebo 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 marara marus denebo. Simply let's sing and dance together. Marara marus denebo marara marus denebo marara marus denebo marara marus denebo. Deni yeu yendira denebo yo kenare na inyorosi kenare ni dubo singolyo amogerane ni wei medala kelantano meru dunyendio gyok liga singolyo ngejugele liga singolyo ngejugele liga singolyo ngejugele. Marara marus denebo marara marus denebo marara marus denebo. welcome again and feel blessed. Follow Teto Ole Tutuma, and yes, I am picking my nose. It's so very itchy. Sorry. I guess it is a blessing and a wonderful opportunity that technology and the advancement of internet, and here we are, social media and all, that we can get to meet Teto Ole Tutuma all over socials, Olaimeri Media as an entity, and we offer spoken Ma and culture orientation in a program called 30 Days Spoken Ma Culture and Language Orientation. This is an online course, a class we offer virtually. We're looking at opportunities that we can partner with friends and colleagues and find ways to have a physical class this coming August. And if you're willing to partner with us, we're looking forward to having a conversation. Please comment on the video right below, and we will get right back to you. So remember also, you can learn to speak Maasai online and be able to access a lot of resource materials, including PDF files, audio files and video files around the aspects of the culture and the spoken aspects of the same. And so the three pillars, again, as a summary, so for you to understand what was able to make the Maasai resilient and culturally significant through the last centuries. And I believe once as a society and community we get back to the spiritual aspects of our being, the community will still continue to stand and the culture will still trailblaze into the future, being resilient and an authentic representation of a country worthy a name as Kenya. So until the next video, cheers.